Did you know that up to 20% of adults in the United States experience symptoms of gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD, on a weekly basis? That's a staggering number. If you're one of those people, or you're just interested in learning more about GERD, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing the symptoms of GERD, what causes it, and most importantly, natural remedies that can help alleviate those uncomfortable symptoms. Also, as a bonus, we'll be sharing a few interesting facts about GERD, so make sure you stay till the end. Welcome to Wellness Wonders. On this channel, we'll talk about getting healthy, utilizing both the conventional Western medicine and the more holistic and integrative approaches advocated by the Eastern medicine tenets. If this is something that appeals to you, be sure to stay around for more content like this. Are you ready to learn how to take control of your digestive health? Let's go. So, what is this condition and what causes it? Gastroesophageal reflux disease is a chronic digestive disorder that affects the lower esophageal sphincter, or LES, a circular muscle that acts as a valve between the esophagus and the stomach. When the LES fails to close properly, stomach acid and food can flow back into the esophagus, causing a range of uncomfortable symptoms. Well, one of the causes is a hiatal hernia. It's when your stomach decides to take a vacation and pops up through your diaphragm into your chest cavity. This can weaken the muscle response for keeping stomach acid where it belongs and lead to GERD. Another cause is obesity. You know what they say, the bigger the belly, the more acid reflux. Excess weight can put pressure on the abdomen, making it easier for stomach acid to escape into your esophagus. Pregnancy can also be a factor. The growing uterus puts pressure on your abdomen, which can weaken the muscle that keeps your stomach acid in check. But wait, there's more. Smoking is also a significant risk factor for GERD. It can weaken the muscle responsible for keeping stomach acid in your stomach. Plus, it increases acid production. So if you're a smoker, put down the cigarettes and step away from the lighter. Certain foods and beverages can also trigger GERD symptoms. Spicy foods, citrus foods, tomatoes, chocolate, coffee, and alcohol can all contribute to the fiery sensation in your chest. And if you eat a large meal and then immediately lie down, you're just asking for trouble. Now, did you know that certain medications can increase your risk of developing GERD? That's right. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, calcium channel blockers, antidepressants, sedatives, and bronchodilators can all be culprits. So if you're popping pills like candy, be sure to keep an eye out for any acid reflux symptoms. Additionally, other medical conditions can increase your risk of developing GERD. Scleroderma, diabetes, asthma, gastroparesis, and Zollinger-Ellison syndrome can all be contributing factors. So if you have any of these conditions, be sure to talk to your doctor about how to manage your GERD symptoms. All in all, GERD can be a real pain in the chest. But by understanding the different causes, you can take steps to reduce your risk and keep that fire-breathing dragon at bay. Now, heartburn may be the most common symptom, but did you know that there are many other signs of GERD to look out for? Let's start with regurgitation. This is when the stomach acid flows back up into your throat and leaves a sour or bitter taste in your mouth. It's not a pleasant feeling, and it can happen at any time of the day. Next up is difficulty swallowing, also known as dysphagia. It's when the esophagus becomes inflamed or narrowed due to repeated acid reflux. It can feel like you have something stuck in your throat, and that can be quite uncomfortable. Now let's talk about chest pain. GERD can present itself as chest pain or discomfort, especially during physical activity or when lying down. It can feel like a tightness or pressure in your chest, and it's important to seek medical attention if you experience chest pain to rule out any serious conditions. A chronic cough is also a symptom of GERD. If you have a persistent cough that is worse at night, it could be related to acid reflux. GERD can also cause hoarseness or a sore throat. The acid reflux irritates the vocal cords, leading to inflammation and discomfort. Nausea and vomiting are also symptoms of GERD. When stomach acid irritates the lining of the esophagus and stomach, it can cause you to feel queasy and have the sudden urge to throw up. Let's not forget about bad breath. GERD can also cause halitosis, which is when your breath smells unpleasant. The stomach acid can get trapped in your mouth and cause an odor. In some cases, GERD can cause tooth decay. The stomach acid can erode your tooth enamel and cause cavities. All in all, GERD can be a real pain in the neck, chest, throat, stomach, mouth, and teeth. But by recognizing the symptoms, you can take steps to manage your acid reflux and keep that dragon at bay. So drink some water, take a deep breath, and keep calm. Before we move on to discussing the natural ways to manage GERD, if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit that subscribe button for more content like this. It would really help our small channel grow. so we can make even more videos for you. Let's start with the basics, diet. Certain foods can trigger acid reflux, like fatty or fried foods, chocolate, caffeine, alcohol, and spicy foods. So it's time to say goodbye to your favorite hot wings and margaritas. But don't fret, you could still enjoy tasty meals by eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day, rather than 3 large meals. Next up, weight loss. If you've been putting on a few extra pounds, it's time to shed them off. Excess weight can put pressure on the lower esophageal sphincter, making it more likely to open and allow acid to flow back up into the esophagus. So hit the gym and say hello to a healthier you. But what about when you're catching some sleep? Sleeping with the head elevated can help prevent stomach acid from flowing back up into the esophagus. So it's time to invest in some pillows, or raise the head of your bed by 6 to 8 inches. Ever heard of probiotics? They are beneficial bacteria that live in the digestive system. Taking a probiotic supplement or eating probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and kefir can help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria and reduce inflammation in the digestive system. Have you ever tried aloe vera juice? It's a natural anti-inflammatory that can help soothe the digestive system and reduce GERD symptoms. Just make sure to drink it before meals. Stress and anxiety can exacerbate GERD symptoms, so it's time to relax with some mind-body practices like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. And if that's not enough, acupuncture or chiropractic care can help improve the function of the digestive system and reduce GERD symptoms. Now let's go into more herbal-centered remedies. First up, we have ginger. Not only is ginger great for adding some zing to your stir-fry, but it's also a natural anti-inflammatory that can help soothe your digestive system. You can try sipping on ginger tea or adding fresh ginger to your meals. Next, we have slippery elm. This herb has a slimy texture that can help coat the lining of your esophagus and protect it from stomach acid. You can find slippery elm in supplement form, or try adding it to your oatmeal or smoothie. Chamomile tea is another great option for managing GERD symptoms. Chamomile is a natural sedative that can help relax your muscles and soothe inflammation in your digestive system. Sipping on a cup of chamomile tea before bed can also help promote a good night's sleep. Mastic gum is a resin from the mastic tree that has been used for centuries to treat digestive issues. It can help protect your stomach lining from acid and reduce inflammation. You can find mastic gum in supplement form or try chewing on the resin. Last but not least, we have licorice root. This herb contains compounds that can help reduce inflammation in your digestive tract and protect your stomach lining from acid. You can find licorice root in supplement form or try sipping on licorice tea. Just remember, herbal remedies are not a replacement for medical treatment, so be sure to consult with your doctor before trying any new remedies. Now let's move on to the bonus section. Did you know that despite its name, heartburn has nothing to do with the heart? Well, you probably didn't. That burning sensation you feel is actually caused by stomach acid creeping up into the esophagus. And here's another interesting tip. Sleeping on your left side can help reduce the risk of acid reflux. That's because it keeps the stomach below the esophagus and allows gravity to work its magic in keeping stomach acid down. And that's a wrap. Thank you for staying till the end. We're sure you've learned a lot. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have suggestions or questions for us. We'd love to hear from you. Also, be sure to like and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so to get more amazing and informative content. Until next time, be safe.